Valentine's Day can be a beautiful celebration of love, but it can also lead to some serious financial stress if we're not careful. So, let's talk about how to budget for this special day without overspending. First, it's essential to set a realistic budget. Take a moment to think about what you can comfortably spend without feeling the pinch later. This means looking at your monthly expenses and determining how much you can allocate specifically for Valentine's Day. Remember, it's not about how much you spend. It's about the thought and effort you put into it. Once you have your budget, prioritize your spending. Decide what's most important to you and your partner. Is it a fancy dinner, a thoughtful gift, or maybe a fun experience together? Focus your budget on those priorities. For example, if you know your partner loves flowers, allocate a bit more towards a beautiful bouquet and consider a homemade dinner instead of an expensive restaurant. Next, get creative with your gift ideas. Instead of splurging on a pricey item, think about what would truly resonate with your partner. A heartfelt handwritten letter, a scrapbook of your favorite memories together, or even a coupon book for future date nights can be far more meaningful than a store-bought gift. It shows you've put thought into it, and that's what really counts. Now let's talk about dining. Eating out can quickly eat up your budget, so consider cooking a special meal at home. You can find countless recipes online that are both delicious and easy to make. Set the mood with some candles and music, and you've got a romantic evening without the hefty price tag. If you do decide to go out, look for local deals or restaurants that offer Valentine's Day specials. Many places have prix-fixe menus that can save you money while still providing a lovely dining experience. Another great way to save is by planning ahead. If you know you want to do something special, like a weekend getaway, start looking for deals well in advance. Websites often have discounts for early bookings, and you might find a charming place that fits your budget perfectly. Don't forget about experiences. Sometimes the best memories come from doing something together rather than exchanging gifts. Consider activities like hiking, visiting a local museum, or even a movie night at home with your favorite films and snacks. These experiences can be just as special, if not more so, than any material gift. Lastly, keep communication open with your partner. Discuss your budget and plans together. You might find that they appreciate the thoughtfulness of a budget-friendly celebration just as much as an extravagant one. Plus, it could be a fun way to brainstorm ideas together and ensure you're both on the same page. By setting a budget, prioritizing your spending, getting creative with gifts, and focusing on experiences, you can celebrate Valentine's Day in a way that's meaningful and memorable without breaking the bank. Love doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. It's all about the thought and effort you put into it. So, go ahead and plan a Valentine's Day that reflects your love without the financial hangover.